Hello everyone, thanks for coming. Today I would like to present some keynote for week 1's lectures. So the four major types of financial derivatives we are going to discuss throughout this quarter's course are forward contract, future contract, option, and swap. So forward contract is similar to the future contract. For the forward contract, both parties are obliged to buy or sell the underlying asset at the predetermined price in the future. So for the option, one party has a right to buy or sell the underlying asset at the predetermined strike price at some future time point. We will elaborate on the concept of swap in the future. So the major difference between forward contract and options is that for the forward contract, both parties agree to buy or sell the underlying asset at the predetermined price f o in the future time t. So no matter how the spot price will change in the future, both parties must exercise the forward contract at the predetermined price. So for the option, it is different. For the option, one party has the option or the right to buy or sell the asset at the predetermined price capital K in the future time t. So he could choose to do so or not to do so. But if he chooses not to do so, the other side cannot force him to buy or sell the underlying asset. So there are four types of options we are going to introduce in our class. The first is the European call option, which gives the holder the right to buy the asset at time capital T at the strike price K. The European put option, which gives the holder the right to sell the asset at time capital T at the predetermined price K. The American call option gives the holder the right to buy the asset before time t at the price K. So the holder can exercise the American call option from now to the expiration date at any time. The European put option gives the holder the right to sell the asset before time t at the price capital K. So the four types of options are different, and we are going to introduce the difference later in the class. So the three key factors in an option is the maturity or expiration date, which is usually denoted by capital T, then the strike price at which the option will be exercised, the predetermined strike price, then the premium, because the option gives the holder the right to do something, then he will pay a cost for having the right, which is called the premium. For the call option, the premium is usually denoted by CO of strike price K as well as the maturity T. For the put option, it is usually denoted by PO of K and T. So what is the difference? What are the differences between payoff and the net profit? So for the forward contract, the payoff equals to the net profit if there is no transaction cost. For the option, things are different. For the long position, the net profit is the payoff minus the premium. So for the short position, the net profit is the premium minus the payoff. So we should take into consideration the premium. So things are a little bit different here. Thanks for listening.